I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I really couldn't wait to get my nose on this scent, but it's not like something that I feel like I needed a full bottle of. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about Kilian's new release, Old Fashioned. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and make sure you guys drop a like. Let's get straight to it.
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never go stepping. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, I don't wanna rap, but this part about culture, you gotta be fair. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist. If you guys are new to the channel, y'all already know your boy. As you guys can see, I'm very big into sneakers. My majority of my channel is over sneakers. I got a little bit of gaming over here. But here recently, I started talking about other things on my channel that I'm interested in, that is in the realm of perfumery. And I feel like, you know, even though the views aren't as crazy or anything like that, I still, you know, I'm pretty sure there are some of my subscribers that really like to smell goods and stuff like that. So I like to interact with you guys on that level right there. So I appreciate everybody that's rocking with your boy as I start this journey. Now, this one right here, man, Old Fashioned, came out last month towards the end of the month. And you know, yeah, man, I couldn't wait to get it. Honestly, I really couldn't wait to get my hands on it. And for me, when it comes to the house of Kilian, I've smelled plenty of their scents, but the one that stands out the most to me is Angel Share. That's the one that I got put on originally, and ever since then, you know what I'm saying, that's been my favorite from the house. But you know, it's more one of those gourmands, and you know, it's from the liqueurs collection, so I just like, man, I really mess with it. Now they got apple brandy, they got other things that people like, but you know, this one right here, Old Fashioned, supposed to be a new one. And let's talk about it a little bit real quick. As I told y'all, I did not pick up a full-size bottle of this. The lady, she let me, I was the first person in the store here to pick it up. It's crazy. And she went and she opened up a 50 ml and she was like, yo, I'll let you smell it and everything so that you can see what you like, if you like it or not. And when she brought it back, you know, I sprayed it on skin. And because I didn't want to feel like I was rushed. As you guys can see, I've tried it out a little bit for this one. And what I did was, I was just like, yo, I'll just take the travel size. So this is a 7.5 ml, and you can get this for around $50 over at Sephora. So that's where I went and I picked this up. And let's just talk about a little bit of the notes and everything like that. Now, some of the main accords that you have with the Old Fashioned is you have the herbal, sweet, warm, spicy, amber, nutty, powdery, balsamic, tobacco, aromatic, and green hits. I'm gonna be honest with you, it is sweet. It does feel warm, but not spicy to me. I can definitely pick up the slight hints of the amber on this one. I don't get tobacco. I really don't get a powdery, but I do get a nutty type vibe with this one. It is very sweet though, and I can tell the herbal hits on this one. But those are wheat and Divana. The middle notes are Immortelle and cedar, and then you have Tulu, balsam, and Styrax. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing any of this stuff right, man. But I gotta tell y'all off rip, man, this was created in a collaboration with perfumer Sydney Lancesser with Kilian Hennessy. They wanted the Old Fashioned to evoke only the purest and finest whiskey, a single malt that is a liqueur cultivated in a single distillery and aged to perfection with the richness of at least 2 decades, according to the best Scottish tradition. Now, when I think about this one right here, y'all, it didn't wow me. You know, I like it, but I don't feel like it's a full bottle worthy. You know what I'm saying? It's a nice scent. I feel like, you know, when I sprayed it, I will honestly say that I don't feel like the sillage and the projection of this one is on the level of Kilian's Angel Shares, but hey, this is my perspective. I know a lot of people said that this would be kind of like a revamp of single malt. I've never smelled single malt, but I do know that that one had plum in it. And a lot of people that, you know, I've heard talking about this one compared to that one, a lot of people like single malt more. But to me, yeah, man, this is one that I feel like, of course, if you want to go ahead and you want to get your hands on it, it's not full bottle worthy as of now to me, just because I just feel like it's not as, I feel like Angel Share is more bright. You know what I'm saying? It just gives off a nice warmer vibe to it. Maybe, you know, as it cools off, I try this one and then I like it, but Angel Share has that apple pie vibe to it. Yeah, I had to grab my bottle, man. This is right here. This is that Angel Shares, man. And the same thing I did with this. So I got the 100 ml of Angel Share. What I ended up doing was I had actually got like the little $50 joint from Sephora before I bought the big bottle of Angel Share. But you know, this is definitely, I feel like Angel Share is just, man, it's shit on this one to me, man. It's on this one. Like, if you ain't got your nose on Angel Share in 2024, you definitely need to get your nose on it. And I mean, two different smells, and I mean, you guys can see the colors of the juices on these joints. You guys can see the colors of the juices are way different. And I just feel like, you know, this one has that gourmand vibe to it, apple pie, you know what I'm saying? Something that I feel like great for the fall, winter. This one right here, I just gotta say that I mean, I feel like they could have came a little bit harder with it. You feel me? As to me, I know a lot of people might say that they really rock out with this, but I'm just giving you guys my honest opinion. To me, as of right now, I will keep wearing this one, of course, and then if I decide that I like it down the line, I still don't think that I would get, because I don't think that this one to me is better than Angel Share. So I'll probably just continue to rock out with Angel Share. Of course, I will rock this one, but if it came down to me finishing this off, would I go buy a full bottle? Probably not. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause I mean, I like it, but I don't love it. You know what I'm saying? I love this one. I just like this one. It's a different scent, but you know, if I should end up, as I keep rocking this one and trying this one out with different weather and stuff like that, and on different occasions, just to see how it hits, because I've gotten about 2 to 3 days wear off of this one so far, and it's just alright, man. I like it, but I just feel like projection, everything else lasts so much longer on Angel Share. There's no need for me to go buy the old fashioned. And I mean, this is the one that I love. I love it. So, and you know, this one, I only felt like I got like 5 to 6 hours of like performance until it became like a skin scent. I feel like I can spray Angel Share on my clothes and that joint gonna smell like that the next day. You know what I'm saying? It's one of them long lasting joints, man. So, and the sillage on it is crazy. And I mean, it's just a fire scent, man. You feel me? And I feel like it's a very good compliment getter. But you know, that's my take on Old Fashioned, man. Y'all let me know y'all's thoughts and opinions. Did you guys pick this up? Were you guys interested in looking into this one? But yeah, man. So it's your boy DaRetroWizKid. Comment down below. Let me know what Kilian scent is your favorite Kilian scent, if you do have one. If you think that I should try one out that I have not tried, which I don't, this is the only two that I own, but I've smelt a lot of the other ones, especially the ones that are in Sephora. But comment down below. Let me know y'all's thoughts and opinions, man. I appreciate you guys rocking out with your boy. Until the next video, peace, love in Laguna Beach, and we out this thing.
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never go stepping. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the